Hey guys, Omo here with ABC Austin Service Express, and it's a nice morning today, and we are installing a package unit, a commercial package unit. Here it is. That's the package unit. A package unit means that it's all together, everything's in one place, and there is the so here are the burners. Those two right there are the burners. That's the gas valve. And here are all the electrical components right here on top. This here is the condenser coil. It wraps all the way around. And here is the heat exchanger. So it's nice and shiny. There's some other videos I have where it's really bad, but that's the heat exchanger. And again, that's the condenser coil here all the way around. And this over here is the, you see the evaporator coil, nice and shiny here. So it goes here, and then this has two openings, one on that side, one on this side. The air comes in to one side and goes out to the other and feeds inside the building. So everything is outside, and there's no components inside other than the thermostat. And we are working on a commercial unit, commercial building. And the old one is, there's the old one right here. Gotta watch my step. That's the old unit right there. Gotta look at my truck. Got one guy here. I gotta watch my step. Got another guy over there. So there we are. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. The unit that was here before was almost 30 years old. Had a cracked heat exchanger. It was all rusted out. Compressor wasn't working either. So they finally decided to, right before the summer starts, to get a new system. So they're happy. They're going to be happy here in a few minutes. We'll get them up and running. So again, call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can find us on YouTube as well under ABC Austin Service Express. Okay? All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.